Guys, so today we're gonna fix this package unit. It's a 3-phase commercial unit, and we were just up here, as you can see, because we got these panels off. But what basically we found when we walked up was the blower motor running, and that's it. So I got my voltmeter out, and we determined it was being cut out by the low pressure switch. So basically this thing is void of charge. So we got a lid off, and we're gonna do a leak search and repair. So there's oil starting here and going up. Actually, not so much up here. Yeah. So, first time to look for a leak is we just kind of search with our eyes. Sometimes it's obvious. There's a burr, a crack. I suspect this joint, but cannot be sure. So I'm gonna go grab the nitrogen and pressurize this system. Alright. We're gonna pressurize this, test pressure. Now that we got some pressure in there, maybe this will be a little easier to find. So we can hear it. Can you hear that, guys? I can't barely feel it, but I can hear it. That's it right there. A little spit on it. Oh yeah, so there's our leak right there. So we'll go talk to the customer and get approval to fix this one. So can't I'll let all the nitrogen back out, and then I'm going to leave one core out. We're going to put this core back in. But only because we're going to set our nitrogen regulator to braze, and it's going to let 3 psi of nitrogen through the system. So when we braze, we don't get any oxidization on the inside of the lines. fixed. I like to blow through and purge the system.